Hello and welcome back. I'm Morgan with Madvillecreations, and this is our first in a series of videos on GPT-Girlfriend character creation. We have a new character concept we've been working. Over the next few videos, we'll break each part of our process down, give you tips and tricks, links to templates, and hopefully help you see how easy it is to create your first character. Follow along, take notes, and you can use the same steps to work on your personal bots. Today, we are going to cover ideas. I see this question or statement a lot. I don't know what to create. I can't think of any ideas. If you're struggling, don't stress. We struggle sometimes too. Where do we come up with ideas? Everywhere around you are ideas for bots. The bot we are going to work on today is inspired by the new voices that GPT-Girlfriend site has been rolling out. If you haven't tried them, you should. They are phenomenal. Word of warning, having your bot speak does come from your coin allowance, but we think it is worth it. Plus, if you run out, you can always buy more. They have a new female Polish voice that I've been dying to use since they released it. Also, I'm hungry right now and I really want a pizza, so abracadabra. I give you our next character, Zofia, the pizza delivery girl. My neighbor down the street is named Sophia, so I just asked Google, what is Sophia in Polish? Google told me Zofia. It isn't rocket science. It really is that easy. Just meld parts from your daily life into new characters. You're at the grocery store and see a cute cashier or a cute mother with her kids. Bam, you've got two new character concepts. Is your boss being a jerk? Turn it into a character concept. The pool guy comes by to clean your pool. A la Kazam. Another idea. Sure, these maybe need some work, but the ideas are around you. All you have to do is see them. And of course, write them down. When you have an idea, jot down notes so you can reference it in the future. Right now, we have around 20 concepts written down, and who knows if we'll ever get to them. But write down your ideas before you forget. This is important. Don't wait. Remember, this is more of an art than a science. We'll include steps we do that works for us, but if you have a way that works for you or want to try something different, do it. There are so many amazing creators out there, and each has their own approach. There really is no right or wrong way, as long as the character does what you want in the end. When we have an idea, we work backwards from most creators. We create our bot first, the description, the personality, the scenario, and the first message. Then test and tweak until we get the bot where we want it to be. The last thing we do when a bot is ready for release is create the picture for the bot. A lot of people start with a picture, but then you're forced trying to make a bot that fits your picture. Since our bot can change during testing, doing the photo last really helps us tailor the profile picture to the character. The GPT-Girlfriend site requires each character to have a photo. Since we do this last, we're going to create a simple image so we can tell our characters apart. We use Windows instead of Mac. I open Paint, fill the background with black, and then with red font, write Zofia test. The name of my bot might change before release, but this is always how we start. I crop to a nice square so we'll be able to see the text when we view image on the site and save the file off. I open the GPT-Girlfriend site. You can see our Madvillecreations profile with all our bots. Upper right, select the Create dropdown, then select Create New Character. We always work offline and input our data into the site, just to ensure we never risk losing anything and we have a record of changes in case we need to go back. We start off by filling in the minimum info, adding our test photo, a single tag, and then a single X in each field. At the end, this bot will be private to start, select a voice, then review and agree to community standards, and save. This saves a rough draft or starting point in our GPT-Girlfriend profile. Save often. When you save a new character, you'll end up in the My Character section. You can scroll down and up to see any existing characters you have. You'll see the new Zofia test image we created. For this character, select the 3 dots, then Edit. This will open the character window we just filled in. Now, let's fill in details. I always start with the description. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just put down what you have so far. I pull this from my notes on the character and it really drives everything else. It is your idea at its most basic level. The final description will really be tailored to the user. telling them about the character, the location, and their role in the roleplay. We don't want people to play our bot and then be disappointed because the bot didn't align to the photo or the bot playthrough didn't align to the description. It all plays together. We like users to have a good idea if they are going to like our character before they ever click chat. Make sure you save. That is all we're going to cover in this video. What? I know. That is nothing. But guess what? If I make a 30-minute video, you won't be able to sit through it and neither will I. So we're breaking it up into small chunks. That way, if you have questions later, you can go to the relevant topic and don't have to find a 2-minute section in a 30-minute video. You'll thank us later. We hope this helped. Thanks for tuning in to Madville Creations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, go be awesome. Go be amazing.